The Americano is a bittersweet and refreshing pre-dinner drink and an easy one to make lots of if you're hosting. Here's how to make it. So we're obviously going to start with Campari because that's really what it's all about here. I've even got my little Campari glass, which I usually use for water at home, so it's glad to get an outing and something a bit more exciting in it. So just 30 mils or an ounce of Campari and 30 mils or an ounce of your vermouth. Then we're just going to add some soda water. I tend to like to do it before the ice, and you just kind of eyeball to about halfway, and that just means that you're a bit more consistent. And as I said, if you're making quite a lot of these, then you can have everything sort of ready to go and just stick in your ice and your orange wedge. Then I'm just going to cut my orange wedge, fill it up with ice. Because we did the soda before the ice, it should be quite nicely incorporated anyway, but you can give it a quick stir. Then we'll just pop in your little orange wedge. And there we have an Americano. So now you know.